Okay,
Oh,
remember we learned a method. We learned a method called KCF. This method was KCF. What this means is this means you keep,
okay.
change, and flip. So we'll try to use our KCF method here, and you will keep the first number as it is, and the first number is 1 by 5, and then
Oh, and then the second number is flipped.
you change the second. The divided by changes to multiplication, and then you do the flipping. 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2.
Oh, yeah, I think I can do it now.
This is equal to 3 by,
Wait, but why is it 3/10 and not 1/10? Because 3 is bigger?
no, because, no, because 1 times 3 is equal to 3.
Oh, that's okay, that makes a lot more sense. The last two lines, are they straight?
Yeah, they're pretty much straight. Don't worry about it. So the first
Okay.
question is absolutely correct. Great.
Apparently. Okay, I need to. The times 4 9s. 1/3 times 10 7 equals. Okay, 10 21. 2 nines times 4 thirds 8 27. How much time do I have left?
You have 50 seconds.
1/4. Okay, can I write the rest like on the top?
Yeah, yeah. You have
Okay,
to
one
write.
fourth times 9 sevens. Sure. Actually,
You have 15 seconds.
oh wait, wait, no, no, no. 9 sevens.
3
9 36.
seconds.
9 36.
All right, time's up. So first is correct.
And then 2 9s times 4 thirds equals 8 27s, right?
Yeah, third is also correct.
Where was the last one?
Fourth is also correct. Fifth is also correct. And the last one is wrong.
How?
So this is 1 by 4 divided by 7 by 9, which is equal to 1 over 4
I meant to write 7 right here.
multiplied by 9 over 7, which is equal to 9 over 28.